Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. I have all my supplies and equipment down in the description box below, so check it out. There are some links to most everything down there. So this is a very simple picture, and it's great for kids, it's great for cards. It's just a fun, relaxing picture. So, first thing I do is I put down some blue, just kind of blow it around. I want it to look a little skyy, cloudy type thing. And I just get that drawn out with as many lines as I can get to make it just really a pleasant background. I am outside if you hear the birds. I am not going inside if you know if it is a little loud out here. It is too nice to go inside. Now here I'm just putting in some green, not necessarily the ground, just indicating earth, I guess. Something green, because I'm going to put leaves in a little later, but this is just some indications. Now here I'm using the straight Marabu ink. Remember I've talked before in some videos how it's a little thicker and you can just run a tall stem or leaf out of it, where the other inks are a little more liquidy. They don't do this, so I love the Marabus for that. And so you can see here that I'm making tall little stems for my flowers here. Now here I'm starting to put in the leaves, and for the life of me really couldn't remember how they actually were, but I'm putting them in. Hopefully you can tell they're leaves. You can have them going up, you can have them laying down. I laid mine down. So here I've taken paper towels and I've put them on the end of a marker and put alcohol on the paper towel and taken off the blue where I'm wanting the flowers to go, so the flowers will show up a little bit better. So I've taken a yellow marker, pretty dark yellow. I don't want something so light that it won't show up. And I've started just putting indications that there's flowers down at the bottom in the green, because I don't want it just a solid green. So I've just kind of done some squigglies just to indicate there's flowers down there. Now I'm getting my swatch out. Always swatch your markers on the paper you're going to use them on. So these are swatched on the photo paper, and that way I can get an accurate reading on what colors, because you cannot tell by the cap on these markers. Because on regular paper, they're going to show up differently. So I've just taken a marker. I ended up going darker because the light one didn't show up great. So I went a little bit darker than what I first chose. And I'm just putting little lines. Now you can put the dots. The dots were cute. I did both on a scrap piece of paper. I just ended up choosing to do the little short lines all the way around to indicate the little sticks on the dandelion part that you blow, just to indicate those. So that's what I did here, and so I've done this on all the flowers. All right, we are about done. So I hope this gave you some great ideas to go out there and be creative. This would be a great picture to do just for relaxation, or even children. It would be easy for them to do. Or you can make it into cards. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. I appreciate you watching, and you go have fun.